First, look for the power plug for one of the red brake lights. It should be a black and red. And then take the first harness and connect one end of that to that. Make sure you match the red to whites. Red from the existing connection to whites in the harness. And now you've connected the second one. Now we need to plug the footrest connection into this first harness, making sure that just like you have now red on the right side, you would have a white plugged into it. So if it's red to white to red, the connection is continued and everything is correct. Right, so the next one would be finding the black wire which goes into the relay. So when you disconnect this, you connect one end of it in the existing controller wire, like that, and then plug the other one into the relay wire. And now the open crimped one would go in with an existing connection from the brake sensor. So now that you find the brake sensor wires, which are orange and gray, connected into a red and white, you disconnect them both and you will connect the brake sensors into a single red and white. So you connect brake sensor 1, connect brake sensor 2, and now both connected into red and white from the controller. And the remaining red and white from the other controller will be, you will depin the red wire with the clip on top. Put yellow in left and green in left, yellow in right and green in left. Now you're supposed to remove the red wire. And tape it. And now we're looking to connect the white into the foot, which is yellow and green. This is easy. You would have to put yellow to white.